Hello guys, how I hope you are doing well. So in this lab we are trying to build a secure Google Cloud Network Challenge lab. So let's start. So in this challenge, the scenario you are a security consultant in by Jeff who owns a small local company. So we just left this data for you to read. So what you will do in this challenge, you need to create the appropriate security configuration for job site. Your first challenge to set up a firewall rule and virtual machine tag. So you also need to ensure that SSH is only available to the bastion via EIP. So okay, say that the bastion server has host does not have a public IP address. So I will just leave it for you guys to read. So let's try to, yeah, this is the architecture we have here, which is the admin side and the customer side. Okay, so first of all, let's try to solve the first issue. Say that to check the firewall rule and remove the overly permission rule. So let's try to connect first. First of all, say that to go to the firewall rule and remove the overlap permission. Remove the overlap permission rule. So let's go. Yeah, go to the VPC. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Here we are in the VPC network. Let's go to the firewall. So we have our firewall here. So yes. Open access. You just have to delete it one. Say that to remove the overlay permission rule. So this is one has to be deleted. So we delete here. Okay. Deleting open. So let's wait for the rule. Okay. Let's try check. No, that's okay. Now navigate to the computer engine in the cloud console and identify the bastion host instance. The instance should be stopped, but okay. Let's go to the computer engine. Yes. Normally we should be able to see all the virtual machine here, instance here. As you can see, we have two virtual machine here. So it said that to start the bastion host server. So as you can see, it's not started now. Stop it. So just click here and start, resume, start. Yeah, we should be able to see the bastion server is started now. Just in few seconds. After that, it say that to the bastion host is the only one machine authorized to receive external SSH traffic. Create a firewall rule that allows this one. The firewall rule must be enabled for the bastion host. Okay, I think yes, it's okay now. Let's check this one. Great. So now let's create a firewall rule. To create a firewall rule is very simple. Just go to the VPC and you will see firewall here. And here you can just create a firewall rule here. Yes, let's name firewall description 9. Yes, also the target for this one is permit. Let's add this one, and the IP range, let's go here, open this one here. The IP range for this one, traffic from the IP range. Okay, great. Let's add this IP range and the traffic TCP 22. Okay, 22 TCP. Enable this one, and we can create, yeah, let's select this network. I think this PC. Okay, everything is okay now. Let's create this one. Okay, we have created the firewall rule, firewall. So after that, let's check if it is okay. Yeah, it should be okay. Let's check now. Yes, wait. Please update the bastion host name. Yes, see that to create the and also the bastion. Yeah, I forgot about this, so let's go to the computer engine instance. Let's click on bastion server, bastion host, and edit this one. We have to add the same tag here, so let's search for the tag. Yeah, network tag, here. So let's save this one. Okay, it should be successfully created. Let's wait for the edition. Normally it should be okay. Yes, I think it's okay. Let's check now if it is okay, if it is working. Yes, I think it is okay now. 4. So if the Jews shop server saves HTTP traffic, create a firewall that allow, yes, create again, like we did before. So let's go in VPC firewall, created second firewall, and the name of firewall you can just say the fire 2, and set the network. Yes, this is the target, the tag, sorry, the target tag. Okay, after that TCP 480. So the IP range, so this server create firewall that allow traffic to any address. So for any address where IP range should be this one. Yes, I think it's okay. Let's create this one. In the meantime, we can create, also we can modify this on the GCP server. So let's go to the instance, computer engine here, GCP here, and we can edit this one and copy the same tag and put here and save it. Normally it should be okay. Let's wait. and range is okay. Now let's check out this one. Yes, great. So now we need to create again the firewall rule on this one. So let's create the firewall TCP. Okay, first of all, let's create a firewall. Firewall rule. Third firewall rule. We are now create third firewall rule. So a firewall we just call this one firewall F1, F3. Okay, and city. Okay, same target. Okay, here. JSON is not strict. Okay, this is the tag put here. Subnet. How to get the IP range is header to from ICM management subnet network address. So let's go. Let's go to the network VPC and see the subnet. Okay, just copy the subnet. So let me see VPC subnet. Okay, and management, this is the ICM subnet management, this is the IP address I have to copy here. Okay, and let's modify this on IP range. I think it is okay now. 22. Yeah, 22 TCP. Create now. Okay, after that now we're gonna do let's wait for creation of firewall, and also we have to do this in the juice. Let's do it this on compute engine. Compute engine here. We will I just had a new target and save it now. Yep. Yeah, this one save now. Normally it should be okay. Normally it should be okay. And also let's go to compute engine, also set the VM1. Normally it should be okay. Yes, I think it is okay. Let's check out this one. Great. Now let us in the compute engine also try to see to juice. Okay. In the compute engine, click on the SSL button for the bastion once connected. Okay. Bastion, yeah, this one. Try this one. And it see that once connected SSL to juice this one. Okay, let's try to, yeah, you can test this on Cloud compute site. You can make juice shop. This is the name of the server, I think. Yeah, juice shop internal IP. Yep. wait. As you can see, I'm able to connect on this server, so let's check out troubleshooting. Wait, yeah, go, great. Yeah, I think everything seems okay now, so let's end this lab here. You can see guys, not really difficult. Thank you guys.